He is the Senior Manager Sales of Durr. So a very good afternoon, Mr. Babu. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So my first question would be, tell us your experience about the first day. Are you excited?
Yeah, the first day is really exciting because our stall gets into a shape and our products gets prominent, and we meet new collaborators and influencers of the respective market, and that drives us in the for the entire 4 days of the wood show. And we really get to meet so many new customers in the first day who are really wanting to expand their presence, expand their business also. So this gives a good start for the next 3 days ahead.
So can you tell us what are the prime innovations you bring here? Is there any special product you are showcasing this time at INDIAWOOD?
Yeah, sure. We have a few new products in this show. First is the vertical piston pump. It's a high pressure pump specifically to reduce the paint wastage and deliver high finish to the wooden market. Kitchen cabinet manufacturers and the furniture market manufacturers also get benefited out of this product. And the second one is the EcoGun Ace. This product, we can remove the nozzles and we can save the cleaning time on liquid, flushing liquid. So this also helps the manufacturers in terms of saving money. And third is overspray free coating, where there is zero overspray while painting and there is zero wastage of paint. And this is really a game changer for the any painting industry in terms of saving paint and improving the finish.
So what are the marketing strategies going forward in 2025 for Durr?
First is the product. We have identified specific products for the wood industry so that there is value given to the customers. Second is regarding our dealer network. We have expanded our dealer network across India so that the serviceability of our customers is improved and also the prompt supply of spares is also done. So this way we are going to definitely change this market in this coming year 2025.
Okay, so thank you Mr. Babu for interacting with Wooden Panel Europe. I wish you all the best for the rest of the days. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.